Before we delve into AI's impact on Excel, let's clarify what we mean by AI. Think of it as teaching computers to think a little. Not in the human, philosophical sense, but in terms of problem solving and learning from data, such as recognizing patterns or making predictions. What does this thinking a little look like in practice? Consider Flash Fill in Excel. Instead of manually entering data based on a recurring pattern, you provide a few examples. And Flash Fill intelligently recognizes the pattern and automatically completes the rest. That's AI at work recognizing patterns and automating tasks, saving time, enhancing accuracy, and enabling more informed decisions. This is not a replacement for human intellect, but rather an amplification to facilitate the effective and rapid achievement of specified objectives. So, why do we use AI in Excel? There are several key reasons. 1. Automate. The most immediate benefit is automation. AI intelligently handles repetitive tasks, saving you valuable time. Think about manually formatting data, identifying patterns in spreadsheets, or entering similar data points repeatedly. Example: Copilot with Copilot. You can describe the formatting you want, e.g., highlight all sales figures above $10,000 in green, and it will automatically apply the conditional formatting. Think also of auto-generation of formulas that would usually be lengthy tasks. 2. Decision-making. AI enhances decision-making by providing deeper insights and predictions. By analyzing large datasets and identifying trends, AI can reveal patterns that would be difficult or impossible to spot manually. Predictive modeling tools, for example, can forecast future outcomes, enabling you to make proactive decisions based on evidence rather than intuition. We aren't simply dealing with numbers, but making informed choices. Example: Copilot can analyze your sales data and predict which products are likely to perform best in the next quarter. It can take into account seasonality, market trends, and other factors to provide you with more accurate forecasts. 3. Insights over data. Excel with AI transforms raw data into actionable insights. Instead of being overwhelmed by rows and columns of numbers, AI-powered features help you extract meaning and discover hidden trends. The Ideas feature, for instance, suggests relevant charts and pivot tables that visualize your data in a compelling way, highlighting key relationships and opportunities. It is no longer rows and columns of numbers that you see, but trends and future possibilities. Example: Copilot. You can ask Copilot, what are the key trends in my customer data? Copilot can then identify the top customer segments, purchasing patterns, and other insights that you might have missed. Copilot can then generate these findings into useful tables to make it easier for end users to draw an understanding over what it is showing. 4. Help with formulas. Even for seasoned Excel users, crafting complex formulas can be time-consuming and error-prone. AI can assist in formula creation by suggesting formulas based on your data and desired outcome. Certain AI tools and add-ins, including functionalities in Copilot, can even generate formulas for you, significantly reducing the risk of errors and saving you considerable time. Whether that be from suggesting a relevant formula or checking your existing work. Example: Copilot, describe what you want to calculate. Find the average sales per month, and Copilot can generate the correct formula for you. It also helps to understand how to work with formulas and what they may mean.